Hi, I'm Linnea and welcome to my kitchen. I have a passion for bold flavors and creating something delicious. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get cooking. All right, so today we are gonna get started with some Orzo Carbonara. What we got going on right away here is I just laid out all of our ingredients so we have everything nice and easy quickly to our fingertips. We have some salted pasta water, salted boiling water going. We're gonna go ahead and add our orzo. This takes about 10 minutes to cook, so while we're doing that, we'll get the rest of our ingredients together. Add 1 pound of dry orzo pasta to your boiling water and stir generously. Meanwhile, whisk together the eggs, salt and pepper, parmesan, garlic, basil, thyme, and chives in a large serving bowl. Once all your ingredients are in the bowl, go ahead and mix until they're fully combined. Before draining your pasta, go ahead and scoop out about 1 cup of pasta water and then just drain your pasta. Add 2 tablespoons of butter into that same pot you cooked your pasta in. Stir until mostly melted. Add your pasta back into that pot and incorporate it with the butter. Immediately add your hot orzo pasta into the egg and cheese mixture, tossing quickly. That way your eggs will not scramble. The eggs will create this thickened sauce for you. Thin the sauce out with a bit of that hot pasta water until it reaches your desired consistency. Divide the orzo among plates and then top with your fresh burrata and grated parmesan. After that, grab your crispy prosciutto and fresh herbs for an additional bold flavor. Did you know in Italian, burrata literally means buttery? This fresh cheese resembles a fresh mozzarella ball, and when you split it open, you'll be delighted to discover a rich tasting, soft filling. All right, you guys, now that everything is garnished and ready to go, let's go ahead and take a bite. So good. The saltiness of the prosciutto, the creaminess of the burrata, it's perfect. I love using orzo in a carbonara. You can get a little bit of pasta in every single bite. Let us know what you think. Subscribe and make sure you hit that like button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. We can't wait to see you guys for our next episode. Take care.